The spanner wrench is used to install and remove the lock nut on your grinder. It has 2 pins that fit into the lock nut's holes. The distance between the pins can vary, so you'll want to make sure you order the correct wrench for your grinder. Using the spanner wrench on your grinder is easy to do, and I'm going to show you how. The wrench is used to remove the grinding wheels from your grinder. It has 2 pins that are set a specific distance apart to engage with the flange nut on your grinder. You want to make sure you order the correct wrench because there are variances in how far apart those pins are. First, I'll lock the grinder's spindle with the lockout button. I'll rotate the wheel by hand until the lockout button engages. Then I'll place the spanner wrench in 2 of the holes on the lock nut and remove it. To install a new grinding wheel, I'll again lock out the spindle with the lock button, install the wheel onto the inner flange, reinstall the outer flange. In this case, I want the hub portion of the flange against the wheel, and I'll tighten the nut with the wrench. And that's how you can use a spanner wrench to install or remove grinding discs from your grinder.